I will show you how to make a bouncy ball at home. For that I need some special colours, which as you can see, orange, green, yellow, purple and blue. Then I need a moulder and half a cup with water in. Now first I'm going to start off with the moulder. I'm going to cut a tiny hole in the colour. Now I'm going to put it in the moulder. I think this is enough. Now I'm going to use peach. Now next I'm going to use green. Now I'm going to use some yellow. Now I'm going to use the last colour, purple. Now I've done all the colours. Now I'm going to put it in the cup for 15 minutes. I'm going to take it out now. Now I'm going to leave it to dry for 5 minutes with it's wet. See you after 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now. Let's open the moulder. Now I'm going to give it a test for bounciness, how bouncy it is. Wow, it's really bouncy. Let's do it again. Shall we do it again? Let's do it again. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe.